What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Okay you guys, we are here at Dollar Tree / Family Dollar, the combo store, and I want to see what's new for the week, so let's head in. This is the area I always like to bring you guys first, because this is where we've been seeing a lot of new seasonal items. We have seasonal candles. I gotta smell this again. Oh, it smells so good. They also have these in Dollar General. Ooh, look you guys. The cute buffalo check ornaments. Still in the bags. Super cute. Aw, I like these. We also have the little doorknob hangers. The little red trucks. I think we have table covers, tablecloths for $4. Buffalo check, snowflakes, poinsettias. These are cute. Little trees and deer. How much are these? These are, wow, they're really well made. These are $5 each. $5. Little by little, they're filling up the area. Oh, these are cute. DIY decor. These are so cute. Are they really separate pieces? I think they are little separate pieces. And then you just slide them in to this little bottom piece. I showed you guys these last week. The towels for $2. We also have some $1 towels. $1 each. Super cute. The gnomes. And then we also have the $5 sets. My store also has the poinsettias. These are how much? These are $5 each. If you guys want to see some items that I've shown in the past, definitely check out my Family Dollar playlist. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. These are just $1 each. We also have Santa. I really like the little snowmen though. Look at those. Aww. Little solar stakes. $1 each. We have little ceramic statues, just $3 each. Also the little snowman. Ooh, these are definitely new. These are fragrance oils. We have candy cane, Christmas tree, and rose champagne. I don't know how much these are though. Okay, you guys. Oh my gosh, little elf on the shelf candies. They're calling them marshmallow pops. We also have the new Finders Keepers. We also have this big cart of clearance here. Psyllium fiber sandwich bags on clearance. We have Jack Link's jerky, air freshener. These are all $1 snacks, I think, for the most part. This is kind of like your impulse buy area. Cookies. Oh, look, you guys, we have 2 for $1. 2 for $1 little chips. 2 for $1 munchies by Frito-Lay. Honey roasted peanuts and salted peanuts. That's nice to see. 2 for $1. Not $1, 2 for $1. And then it looks like they're going to be filling this area up as well. You guys remember, this is a brand new store. This is a brand new combo store. Ooh, what's this? Cake batter kettle corn. We also have peanut butter cup drizzle kettle corn. Down here we have some little $1 dog treats. $1 cat items. And then over here we have tons of $1 candy. The difference between the combo stores and a regular Dollar Tree is that we don't have candy down in the bins. Pretty much everything is hanging up, which is really, really nice. What are these? Starburst swirlers for $1. I've never seen these before. I hear a beeping sound. I think it's the cooler. Which reminds me, we should go see if the coolers are filled up yet. Whoa. Looks like the Dollar Stop coolers are not filled up yet. Hey, one of these times I bring you guys, we will see everything filled up nice and neat. But for now, they're just stocking things as they can. A lot of these combo stores and Family Dollar locations are very short-staffed. Also, you guys know we have an issue with things coming in, with all of the ships in the port just sitting there and people working around the clock trying to get items off the big cargo ships. That's an issue, you know, due to the pandemic that everyone here in the US is dealing with, and probably around the world. Ooh, look you guys. Eggnog. $1.75. I don't know if that's right. Land O'Lakes traditional eggnog. That's actually not the right tag for it. They have bubblies here, and if you use the Ibotta app, I believe you can save $1. You can actually get $1 back when you buy 2 bubblies. So basically you can get yourself a drink for free. What do we have over here? Let's see. We have $2.95 Starbucks Frappuccinos and the double shot energy. I just noticed this display over here. A little LA Colors display. $4.50 fashion nails. $1.50 nail art DIY little kit. It comes with a polish and stickers. And then we have some $1.50 nails. A couple more items down here. This is also a new display. Holiday movies, Elf, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, A Christmas Story, A Charlie Brown Christmas, How the Grinch Stole Christmas, Love Actually, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, A Medea Christmas, the movie. These range from $5 to $10. And then we have other movies here. Sing for $8. I thought this was a spinner. It's not a spinner though. Even more movies. Pets and Pets 2. We have Trolls. So if you are into DVDs, if that's your thing, Family Dollar has DVDs here. Let's look over here and see if they've added anything to the dental area. We have some $1 options. During my live, I was noticing there weren't a whole lot of $1 dental options yet compared to a regular Dollar Tree. Let's look over here. Every week I'm just kind of checking some of these same areas to see what additional $1 items have been added. This little area has pretty much remained the same. And then of course we still have all the Halloween items. I haven't noticed this yet. This is glass, it's $5 and it's a butter dish. Perfect for Thanksgiving. Yeah, you guys, this store is sort of a work in progress, considering that it's a brand new combo store. As you guys see, we have these carts everywhere, and since they changed all of the shelving, some of the shelving is a little bit empty as they wait for product and as they get some of these new items on the shelf. These are $2 at Dollar General, but they're just $1 here. The $2 ones I got from Dollar General I really like, but I love finding these for $1. We have measuring cups, we have knives, really big knives too. Kitchen scissors. You guys let me know if you want to see more home items next time I come in. I'd like to focus on some of those items, home decor, kitchen items, and more stuff like that, because it's been a while since we've looked at these items. Anyways, you guys, I think that's it for me here in Family Dollar. I have a whole day of filming planned for you guys, so I better get busy. I better head off to the next place. Thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out my Family Dollar playlist or my Dollar Tree playlist if you want to see more videos like this. But I'm out of here, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.